So here we introduce one of the products from Sigenergy, SigenMicro. Let's hear from our solar partner EFS, why EFS choose Sigenergy and why microinverter.
We use Sigenergy microinverter because it has a technology of, for example, EMS. It helps to collect all the data, so it eliminates a lot of unnecessary equipment like data logger, controller and whatnot. Not only it helps to reduce the equipment size, but also cost as well. It's a one-stop solution. We do know about the AI, it's really amazing. So what we do, we use our phone and take a picture of a layout of the serial number of the microinverters. So we scan that through the mySigen app, it will connect to either one of it and the rest they will connect simultaneously. This is done within 5 minutes. The RSD, which is the rapid shutdown nowadays, is very crucial. And most importantly, safety for end users, because we won't be constantly monitoring on our app, constantly checking on the solar system. So this is very crucial where it will automatically cut off if there's any electrical faulty or sudden accidents.